Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Many Nyonya and Malaysian dishes call for shrimp paste to provide a deep, savory, salty and complex umami foundation that defines these cuisines' distinctive flavor. I normally toast the belacan first before using to remove the raw fishy smells and bring out a rich, savory flavor. Heat changes it into deep, smoky and nutty taste. Untoasted paste is wet and sticky. Toasting dries it out so it crumbles easily into powders or paste. After toasting, I normally store in an airtight container in the refrigerator to extend its shelf life and keep the pungent flavor fresh. Whenever I need to cook nyonya dishes, I use a completely dry spoon to scoop the amount needed for the recipe. I normally use this singlong belacan. It is traditional fermented Southeast Asian shrimp paste made from small shrimp and salt. It has a pungent and savory flavor and aroma. Belacan is usually sold in blocks, but nowadays you can also find the powdered variety. This block is 250 grams. Remember to remove the paper used to wrap it. We do not want extra ingredients in our sambal belacan. I am going to cut it into thinner pieces to facilitate with the toasting afterwards. So just cut it like that. I normally toast my belacan on a pan without any oil rather than in the oven or air fryer, as the strong odor lingers on for quite a while. Remember to open your window, turn on the range hood or kitchen exhaust fan while doing your pan frying. So arrange your belacan in a pan without any oil. We want to pan fry it to release its full flavor and aroma, transforming a potentially harsh pungent smell into a richer, more desirable taste. Toasting also mellows out its intensity and brings out the best qualities of our shrimp paste. Without toasting, the shrimp paste tends to overwhelm the dish with its raw odor. So dry toasting step is important to ensure that your sambal belacan does not have any pungent odor. So 2 minutes on each side over medium or medium-low heat, and then press it to gently break the belacan. We want to transform it into crumbly form. So if you see smoke coming out like that, you will turn the heat to low or medium low, and continue to stir it until it is fragrant and a little bit charred. So it takes about, I would say, 5 minutes, depending on the level of fire that you are using. The belacan should develop a deeper color and become drier and crumblier in texture. So we are not quite there yet. We can still make it a bit more dry, and the crumbs can be a little bit smaller, so we can continue to press and break. Yep. So can you see that the color has darkened now and a little bit more powdery? Okay, now we are talking. Can you see that it's nice and dry, small crumbs, and so this is ready. So I'm gonna put this aside. So if you make a big batch of this, you can store it in your airtight container, put in the fridge, and as and when you need to use it, you can just drag it out and take the amount that you want. So it is a very versatile condiment.